The Honeywell True HEPA Whole Room Air Purifier with Allergen Remover helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic allergens at 0.3 microns and larger from the air that passes through the filter. This air purifier circulates room air 5 times an hour and comes equipped with 3 air cleaning levels plus a turbo clean setting. It also comes equipped with 2, 4, and 8-hour auto-off timer, electronic filter replacement reminders, and a control panel light dimmer. Perfect for use in an extra-large room, this purifier is AHAM verified for rooms up to 465 square feet, with a CADR of 300 for tobacco smoke, 320 for dust, 300 for pollen, and comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.